I don't think it should be an issue, really, the provision of generics, because it's not something that we started doing today, this month, or last year. It's something that is within the medical system. Generics are part of how a hospital operates. Generics are part of how a medical space operates. Remember, what are generics? Generics is when a particular company, a Nomagugu company or Nomagugu Ltd, comes up with a tablet that cures sugar diabetes, that cures sugar diabetes, and that becomes their responsibility. That is their patent, because they did the work, they did the research, and so forth and so forth. So they own that particular knowledge, part of it. But once they have owned it and they have registered it, then the medical field then says, what are the active ingredients that are in that? And if that company is willing to give the active ingredients, then other companies can then create their own variation of the same tablet. So it doesn't mean it doesn't have the active ingredient. All of them will have the ingredient. It's just that you will have 7 companies that create the same a tablet or medication. So a generic, in essence, means it's not made by the person who originally found that particular medication. So it has been used throughout history, and we continue to use it. So it shouldn't be a problem. It shouldn't be an issue. It hasn't been an issue for the past I don't know how long. When you look at patients who take treatment for sugar diabetes, again, because it's something that all of us know about, you will find that the one thing that we want in that is metformin. But the companies that actually manufacture that particular tablet are more than 5 or more than 7. So when you go with a script to either your pharmacy or you come from a hospital, you will find that what you get at a hospital is not necessarily the same brand name than what you get from a pharmacy. It doesn't mean they don't work the same. It just means it's different brand. So it shouldn't be an issue, and it hasn't been an issue until now. But what I want to say to communities is that what we provide them, even if it's generic, it's because we know that it actually addresses the challenges that they are faced with.